Welcome to Fingerprinting Gurus with your host, Tommy Watkins. This week, we're diving into an exciting new topic that's sure to enhance your entrepreneur ventures in the ink card fingerprinting business and the mobile ink card fingerprinting industry. But before we get started, I'd like to ask for your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content to assist you on your journey. Now, without further ado, let us explore this week's topic: discover the power of ink card fingerprinting for your business, and with tips and tricks. Ladies and gentlemen, ink card fingerprinting, also known as fingerprinting on ink cards or fingerprinting on paper cards, is a traditional method of collecting fingerprints using ink and paper. While it may seem old-fashioned compared to the newer digital fingerprinting method, it still holds significant value for certain businesses and organizations. Here are some tips and tricks to help you discover the power of ink card fingerprinting for your businesses. First up, understand its purpose. Ink card fingerprinting is often used for background checks, employment screening, licenses, and other legal purposes. Understand the specific regulatory requirements or industry standards that mandate ink card fingerprinting for your business. Next up, ensure compliance. Different jurisdictions may have specific rules and regulations regarding ink card fingerprinting, including the type of ink, card specifications, and procedures for fingerprinting collections. Ensure that your processes comply with the relevant laws and regulations. Next up, quality materials. Invest in high quality ink pads and fingerprint cards to ensure clear and accurate fingerprints. Impressions, poor quality material can lead to smudges or incomplete fingerprints, which may result in processing delays or rejections. Next up, train staff properly. Properly training is essential for personnel responsible for collecting fingerprints. They should be trained on correct fingerprinting techniques, maintaining cleanliness and of equipment, and handling ink cards to avoid smudging or damaging the prints. Next, prepare the subject. Inform individuals undergoing fingerprints about the process and what to expect. Advise them to clean their hands to remove any dirt or oils that may affect the quality of the fingerprints. Next, provide a comfortable environment. Creating a comfortable and private space for fingerprints to help subject feel at ease during the process. This can help minimize anxiety and improve cooperation, leading to better quality prints. Next up, double check for accuracy. After collecting fingerprints, carefully inspect the impressions to ensure they are clear, complete, and properly aligned on the fingerprint card. Any errors or smudging should be corrected promptly to avoid processing delays. Next up, secure handling and storage. Handle ink cards with care to prevent smudging or damage to the print. Store complete cards securely in a designated area to protect sensitive information and maintain chain of custody. Next, follow-up and tracking. Implement a system for tracking fingerprint submission and monitor the status of background checks or other process dependent on fingerprinting. This ensures timely follow-up and resolution of any issues that may arise. Next, consider digital alternatives. While ink card fingerprinting remains relevant for certain applications, consider integrating digital fingerprinting solutions where appropriate. Digital fingerprinting offers advantages such as faster processing, easier storage and retrieval, and reduced risk of error associated with manual handling. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can harness the power of ink card fingerprinting effectively for your business, ensuring compliance, accuracy, and efficiency in your fingerprinting process. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. to this content.